Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today from this video we are going to start Fabric Microsoft Fabric tutorials video. We will come up one single video with different topics on that. Okay, so continue this playlist. Okay, so today this is our first video on of this playlist, this fabric playlist. So in this video what we are going to learn that how to create a free trial account in Microsoft Fabric, that we will see here. Okay, so basically using the Gmail domain or Outlook domain account, that the personal email domain account, you will not able to open the Microsoft Fabric. Okay, you will not able to register yourself in Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so you need an enterprise level account, organization level account. Only using that you will able to uh, sign up in Microsoft Fabric. Okay, as it is coming from Power BI domain, it's in Microsoft Power BI hosted. Okay, so you will not able to sign up without any organizational account. Okay, so for that what you will do, uh, for organization level account, for your free trial, how you will start. Okay, so for that you need to, so today I'll show you how to create that organizational level accessible account, uh, and that account we will use here only. Okay, Microsoft Fabric sign up. Okay, so for that what you need one Microsoft Azure account. Okay, so here I think you guys have know how to create one Azure account. Okay, if you don't know, you can visit our channel. Here we already explained how to create Microsoft Azure account. Okay, or there are lots of playlists you can see. You can go through our videos if you have not still visited our channel and you have not go through our videos. Okay, these are all very much efficient for your interview cracking purpose, and if you are learning PySpark ADF this purpose also, these videos are very much useful. Okay, so let's go. So first we'll go to Microsoft Enter ID. Okay, from here only we'll create one new user. Okay, create new user. Okay, so what we'll do, mm, so basically we'll create user 1. See, this would be create based on this domain only. Okay, so create a new user in your organization. This user will have a username like this. Okay, so basically this will give you one new user on this, on Microsoft domain. Okay, so the derive user principal name, so this would be like same. Okay, display name also same, we don't need to change anything, so we'll just change the password. So let's give one password. I have given one password. Okay, I will enable the account. Okay, let's go. User 1, you don't need to mention anything here. Let's keep it same. Okay, let's create it. Okay, successfully we have created the user. Okay, create on that, you will able to see your user. So this is your user, so your user principal name is this one. user principal name, user principal name. So we'll use this one from here. So we'll so you can see account status is enabled, so this user is enabled. Okay, so now an identity is, you can see this one. So your domain kind of thing, whatever we have, your name at the rate gmail.com, it is currently you have user one at the rate this one, Pritam Shah 67 gmail dot one microsoft.com. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's go and let's sign up. Okay, no, we'll copy this one, and after that we need to sign up. So this puzzle you need to solve. So this is done from my end, and now it is loading. It is telling us sign in. Let's sign in. Let's keep that password which you have given during the creation of user. Your current password, it is asking. You have to give one new password. Given. Okay, okay, same password you can't give, the new and older one you need to change. Done. Let's go. Let it load. Okay, no thanks. Now next. So it is asking me to authenticate with the authenticator. Okay, I want to use a different authenticator app. Okay, so to do one thing, create the download the authenticator app in your phone, and after that this go to next and next. Okay, you will able to see the QR code. You need to scan this QR code from your authenticator app. Okay, so when you do the when you scan the authenticator. Okay, let's see, let's do it. So I have taken this I have scanned this QR and taken the account to my authenticator. Okay, now next. So this authentication, it is coming. I will do the validation from my uh, 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 from my authenticator app. I will authenticate, already it is approved. Okay, now we can go and done. Okay, now you need to select your region, uh, India. Let's see which region is near. Job title, anything, D. Okay, your phone number you need to give here. Okay, so I'll give my phone number. Okay, so this thing you don't need to check. Okay, and you can go with get start. first time it will take some time to create the window and fully give full for a full login. Okay, fully complete visuals. Okay, so let's wait. Now you can see the page has been loaded, and you will able to see the front end of this Microsoft Fabric. Okay, after loading the page. Okay, so I'll do this close on. After that I will click here. Okay, you can see the tenant name and all. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll use the free tile. Okay, we'll click on that. So now we need to activate. We will go to the Fabric home page after successfully upgradation. Okay, it will take some time to load. Now it is done. So it will just give you one tour where what are the options, where it is, how to use it, these things I will not go there. Now you can create your new workspace and you can start your projects. Okay, and you will able to see the 60 days free trial limit. So today from today onwards I have started. It is 60, it is showing. Tomorrow when I will log in, it will show 59, 58, this consecutively. It will just show the timing, for how much day it is left, the free trial it is left. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, from next video onwards we will start mm, showing the things how we can implement we can create workspace, how we can create one pipeline, the database notebook, how to work with that in Fabric. This all the things, all the services will able to see here what are the things it is. Okay, so here you can see Fabric, this is for Fabric for for deep and D people, and this is for Power BI people. Okay, so we are in the this Fabric one. Okay, as Fabric and Power BI both using the same URL, so that's why this is the thing Fabric. If you are a Power BI people, then you need to click on this. You will you will be migrated to the Power BI page. Okay, so from here you can create the workspace and all. Okay, so these things will show you from the next video. So I hope you guys have understood the concept. If you have still any kind of doubt, you can comment on the video comment section, or you can connect with me via topmed. All the services are free, so that I can show you how to create the free account and all. Okay, live on. Okay, so if you still have not subscribed our channel, I would request you guys, please subscribe our channel, and if the video is useful for you guys, please do like and share with your friends. Okay, thank you for watching our video. For now, bye.